Good morning, my dear students. Now I'm going to explain the topic marketing management from second unit. Marketing management. Here, what we have to understand what is meaning of marketing and functions of marketing. What are the important functions of the marketing? And also, we covered marketing mix. Marketing mix. Coming to the meaning of marketing. Marketing is an essential function of a modern organization, whether it deals in products or services. Nowadays, marketing is very important to any products or services. Without marketing, the production or the services are not to meet to the customers. So the system of marketing is very important in a organization. The next definition of marketing is total system of marketing is total system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, promote and distribute products and services that satisfy the wants of the present and potential customers. This is the definition of marketing management. This definition is given by William Stanton. And next, some of the major functions. There are 8 functions are there. 8 important functions are there. That functions are first function selling, and second function buying and assembling, and third function transportation, and fourth one storage, and fifth one standardization and grading, and sixth one financing, and seventh one risk taking, and eighth one market information and research. These are all the functions of marketing management. These are all the functions of marketing management. Marketing is an essential function of a modern organization, whether it deals in products or services. In other words, marketing constitutes an essential essential function of modern business organizations. There is also a danger of getting bad or poor quality products marketed by strong networking. However, the customer is the king to decide what is good quality or otherwise. What is good quality or otherwise. And the next functions of marketing management. The first function is selling. The first function is selling. Selling is a core of marketing. It is a core function. It is concerned with the prospective buyers to actually complete the purchase of an article. It involves transfer of ownership of goods to the buyers. Selling plays an important part in realizing the ultimate aim of earning profits. Selling plays an important part in realizing the ultimate aim of earning profits. Selling is enhanced by means of personal selling, advertising, publicity, and all, and sales promotion. These are all the comes under selling activity, selling function. Effectiveness and efficiency in selling determines the volume of company's profits and profitability. Effectiveness and efficiency in selling determines the volume of company's profits and profitability. It means where the sales are high, the company will get more profits. Otherwise, the company get losses. So, selling is an important function in marketing. Effective sales and efficiency selling determines the volume of company profits and profitability. And the next one, next function, buying and assembling. And the next function is buying and assembling. Buying means it involves what to buy, of what quality, how much from whom, when, and at what price. People in business buy to increase sales or to decrease cost. It means to increase sales or to decrease costs. Purchasing agents are much influenced by quality, service, and price. And also the products that the retailers buy for resale are determined by the needs and preferences of their customers. The manufacturer buys raw materials, spare parts, machinery, equipments, etc. for carrying out his production process and other related activities. A wholesaler buys products to resell them to the retailers. This is the entire system of buying function. And the next, assembling. Assembling means to purchase a necessary component, parts, and to fit them together to make a product. Assembly line indicates a production line. Assembly line indicates a production line made up of purely assembly operations. This is the assembling, buying and assembling function. And the next one, and the next function, transportation. Transportation, it is also an important function in marketing, whether finished goods are going to markets or raw material entering into the business organization, whatever it may be. Transportation is it is also an important function. Transportation is the physical means by which goods are moved from the places where they are produced to those places where they are needed for the consumption. It creates place utility. Transportation is essential from the procurement of raw material to the delivery of finished products to the customers. Marketing released mainly on railroads, trucks, waterways, pipelines, and air transport. The type of transportation is chosen on several considerations such as suitability, speed and cost. Transportation may be performed either by the buyer or by the seller. The nature and kind of the transportation facilitates determine the extent of the marketing area and the regularity in supply, uniform price maintenance, and easy access to the supplier or seller. This is the entire system of transportation function. And the next function, fourth one, storage. Storage. It involves holding of goods in It involves holding of goods in proper conditions from the time they are produced until they are needed by the customers. Needed by customers. It means in case of finished goods or by the production department in case of raw materials and stores. It means raw material stores and finished goods stores. Any production companies maintains two types of storage. That is first one raw material stores and the second one finished goods stores. Before entering to the market, the finished goods are stored in the godowns, storage warehouses. That is known as a finished goods store. Finished goods store. Storing products, the goods from deterioration and helps in carrying over supplies over surplus for future consumption or use in production. Goods may be stored in various warehouses situated at different places. Goods may be stored in various warehouses situated at different places, which is popularly known as warehousing. Warehouses should be situated at such a place from where the distribution of goods may be easier and cheaper. Situation of warehouses is also important from the view of prompt feeding of emerging demands. And the next one, standardization. Standardization and grading. Standardization and grading. The other activities that facilitate marketing are standardization and grading. Standardization means establishment of certain standards. Establishment of certain standards or specifications of products based on the intrinsic physical qualities of any commodity. That is known as standardization. It means what you have to produce it the products that will satisfy the customers. Otherwise, that products are products are not satisfy the customers. That is known as standardization. This may involve quality. This may involve quantity. It means weight or size, or it may involve quality. It means color, shape, appearance, material usage, taste, and sweetness. Government may also set some standards. For example, in case of agriculture products, a standard conveys a uniformity of the products. Uniformity of the products. It means standardization. This may involve quantity, quality. Quality means color. It may be color, shape, appearance, materials, taste, sweetness, etc. Government may also set some standards for agricultural products. For agriculture products. And next, grading. Grading means classification of standardized products into certain well-defined classes or groups. It involves the division of products into classes made of units possessing similar characteristics of quality products, like A grade, B grade, and C grade, based on the quality. Depending upon the quality as under standardization, the quality department grading the entire products in their company. And the next financing. And the next function is financing. Financing involves the use of capital to meet financial requirements of agencies dealing with various activities of marketing. Financing is an important function in every organization. It may be service organization or manufacturing organization. Financing function is very important. Without financing, we can't do anything. So, the services to provide the credit and money needed, the cost of getting merchandise into the hands of the final user is commonly referred to as finance function in marketing. In marketing, finance are needed for working capital and fixed capital, which may be secured from three sources: owned capital, bank loans, and advance the trade credit provided by manufacturers to wholesalers and by the wholesalers to retailers. In other words, various kinds of finances are short-term finance, medium-term finance, and also long-term finance. Source of finance are classified into three categories. That is short-term finance, medium-term finance, and the long-term finance. In the short-term finance, repayment period is normally 1 year, up to 1 year. And medium-term finance, the repayment period is normally up to 1 year to up to 3 years. And the long-term finance, repayment period is more than 3 years. This is sources of finance. Sources of finance are classified into three: short-term finance, and medium-term finance, and long-term finance. And also, in marketing, finances are needed for working capital. Working capital means to deal the day-to-day activities smoothly. That is known as working capital. And fixed capital. Capital is classified into two types: fixed capital and working capital. Fixed capital is nothing but where we have invested in long-term assets like buildings, machinery, furniture, and etc. That is known as fixed capital. So financing is financing function is very important in any business organization to deal the business activities smoothly. Here also, and especially financing, marketing department, especially in the marketing department also, financing very important to conduct marketing operations smoothly. And the next function, risk taking. Risk taking. In the sense of risk taking, it means loss due to some unforeseen circumstances in future. Risk bearing in marketing refers to the financial risk, interest in the ownership of goods held for an anticipated demand, including the possible losses due to a fall in prices and the losses from spoilage, depreciation, obsolescence, fire and floods, or any other loss that may occur with the passage of time. That is known as a risk. From production of goods to its selling stage, from production of goods to its selling stage, many risks are involved due to changes in market conditions, natural causes, and human factors. Changes in fashion or inventions also cause risks. Legislative measures of government may also cause risk. Risk may arise during the course of transportation also. This is the function of risk taking. In especially marketing, there is a high risk. There is a high risk is there. Risk it means bearing in marketing refers to the financial risk. It may be financial risk or demand, including the possible losses due to fall in price, and also spoilage of products, and also depreciation. These are all the comes under risk taking. And the next function, market information and research. And the next function, market information and research. The importance of this facilitating function of marketing has been recognized only recently. The only sound foundation of which marketing decisions may be based is correct and timely market information. Right facts and information reduce the aforesaid risks and thereby result in cost reduction. It means correct information regarding the market situations reduces the cost, maybe increases the profits. Modern marketing requires a lot of information adequately, accurately, and speedily. Marketing information makes a seller know when to sell. Marketing information makes a seller know when to sell, at what price to sell, and who are the competitors, etc. These are all the information regarding the market. Marketing information and its proper analysis has led to marketing research, which has now become an independent branch of marketing, which has now become an independent branch of marketing. And the next, business firms collect and analyze and interpret facts and information from internal sources such as records, sales people and finding of the market research department. They also seek facts and information from external sources such as business publications, government reports, and commercial research firms. These are all the information collecting from external sources and internal sources. Internal sources internal sources comes under company files and also salespersons and also market research departments. And external sources comes under business publications and internet and government reports and commercial research firms. These are all the information research, information gathering sources. These are all the this is also important function in market information and research. These are all the functions of marketing. There are 8 important functions. Number 1 is selling, and the second one buying and assembling, and the next transportation, and the next storage, and the fifth one standardization and grading, and sixth one financing, and seventh one risk taking, and eighth one is market information and research. These are all the functions of marketing management. And the next topic is a small topic, marketing mix. The marketing mix means it is a mixture of 4 P's, such as product, price, promotion, place. These are all the 4 P's of marketing mix. First one is product, price, promotion, place. Come to the first one, product. The product factor aims at satisfy the customer needs. The product factor aims at satisfy the customer needs. Customer is the ultimate decision maker. Customer is the ultimate decision maker. So when you have to produce the products, maximum that products are satisfy the customer needs and wants. Decisions relating to products includes several issues such as variety, quality, design, variety, quality, design, brand names, packaging, size, and others. These are all the comes under product factors. Once again, decisions relating to products includes several issues such as variety of product, quality of product, design of product, brand names of a product, packaging of product, sizes, and other factors regarding the product information. And the next, price. The price factor aims at providing the products or services at the right price to the customers. Regarding the price factor, the issues that optimize the sales are what should be listed price, and how much cash discounts can be given, cash discounts given, what should be the average payment period, and what should be the credit terms. These are all the comes under price factors. Here mainly we had observed listed price, cash discount, and the average payment period, and also credit terms. And the next one, promotion. Promotion means the promotion factor aims at reaching the right customers by enhancing the awareness about the products and services of the company. A promotion, it means maybe advertising, sales promotion, personal selling. These are all the comes under promotion. It uses mainly like media and newspapers, whatever it may be. Promotion, the promotion factors aims at reaching the right customers by enhancing the awareness about the products and services of the company. And the next one, place. The place factor ensures delivering the product or service to the customers in the most convenient manner. The type of channels, extent of coverage, locations, and the necessary transportation facilities are some of the most key issues that need personal attention of the marketer while considering the place factor. Here, what we have to uh, mind it, the main place factor is type of channels, convenient manner, type of channels, and extent of coverage, locations, and transportation facilities, and personal attention of the marketer while considering the place factor. These are all the 4 P's marketing mix. Marketing mix. The first one, here 4 P's are there. First P, product, and the next price, and the next promotion, and the next place. 4 P's of marketing. It is a mixture of 4 P's. In this class, we have to cover the syllabus, functions of marketing and introduction to marketing, introduction to marketing, and functions of marketing, and marketing mix. Marketing means it is an essential function of a modern organization, whether it deals in products or services. Marketing is a total system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, promote, and distribute products and services that satisfy the wants of the present and potential customers. This is the definition of marketing. These are all the functions of marketing. And the next topic, marketing mix. Here mainly 4 P's are there: product, price, promotion, and place. Thank you.